What's going on, guys? Titan pressure washing here. Came out and did a 5,600 square foot roof. It's pretty bad. It's all black. And we did our pre and post treatments for watering. And then we came out and it's a slate roof. Now it looks a little odd, but it's a natural slate colored concrete tile flat roof. Came out really good. It was black. It'd been about 5 years since it was done before, and came out and did all our watering. All the plants are really good. And then we're also pressure washing the driveway, about 1,200 square foot driveway walkway. Got our truck out. It's pretty nice. It's not as hot as it was yesterday. Yesterday it was almost 100 degrees. Or the real fuel was at least 100 degrees for sure. Came out and did this and got the driveway done, which he's still working on it. My guy is right now. Doing some work with surface cleaner right now. Pretty much got all that done. And then just give you a little preview of our soft wash work that we did on the roof. That's about as far as I can go. But yeah, it turned out really well. It took about 2.5 hours, a little regular time that it takes to do a 5,600 square foot roof. It came out really good. It's a really nice property. Their neighbors also need to have theirs done. There's several in this HOA that need to be taken care of. Yeah, this is a nice big house. I really enjoy doing the flat tile. Just works out better. You use less product. Barrel tile takes a lot of product because you got to spray from both ways. Start from the bottom edge, work your way up. Yeah, it's almost a 2-story, and they got a nice little playground out here. Nice pool area in the back. They might get the pavers in the front sealed by us, and then probably the roof sealed as well. Another fantastic day here we're actually out here in Palm City, Florida today. Yesterday we were in Port St. Lucie, but you can see we got all this done for them. The driveway, the walkway, front door. Now we're just coming down and he's getting the rest of the sidewalk right now. We're gonna finish up with the gutters, and that's gonna be it for the day. And tomorrow we're down in Jupiter. We got a couple homes down there to go take care of. Today was a little bit of a light day. That's fine with both of us because it's gonna be a hot one today. It's supposed to get up again to about 100. It's our truck we're rolling with. Anyway, that's what we've been doing. You can see the clouds, how they're lining up right there. It's getting ready to rain. It'll probably end up raining over there, not really here. But maybe later on this afternoon. Tomorrow's got a higher rain chance, so I'm glad we'll be working down in Jupiter tomorrow. It's just, get the ocean breeze. Here there's a little bit, but not much. But anyway, this is a great house to do. It's pretty fun. Got here about 10 o'clock. We had something else that we were doing this morning. And yeah, that turned out really well. They're gonna be really pleased with it. So we're doing the gutters. A lot of guys don't do that, but that's one of the things we like to do. We'll just clean the gutters up all nice for everybody. And then that way, it's curb appeal. Everything looks nice from the street forward. Anyway, guys, check us out. TitanPW.com, that's our website. TitanPressureWashing.fl, that's our YouTube channel. All right, until next time, guys.
New pressure washing companies are popping up everywhere. Don't hire amateurs to pressure wash your home or business. To look the best, hire the best. With over 12 years of experience, Titan Pressure Washing of Stuart, Florida specializes in pressure washing, soft washing, and roof concrete and paver sealing services for both commercial and residential customers. Veteran owned and operated and fully insured. Our unique deep clean restores the natural color of your roof while avoiding damage caused by incorrect pressure, chemicals, and equipment. We go the extra step to also protect your landscaping, Have your property cleaned with professional commercial-grade equipment and hot wash for deeper, longer results. Our sealing products are all green and can save homeowners thousands of dollars in just a few years. We clean and seal roofs, driveways, building exteriors, pool decks, sidewalks, parking lots, docks, decks, patios, and more. Call now for a free estimate, 772-245-0402, or visit TitanPW.com. Experience the Titan difference today. Why don't we call Titan Pressure Washing? They're the talk of the town. They'll wash and seal your home from the roof to the ground. Father gonna have his deck sparkle and sheen. Mama never seen a patio look so clean. We call you back, we show up at your office or your home. In fact, we act polite, we do it right. The job is done, you'll sleep at night. We're Titan Pressure Washing, Stuart, Florida.